Let's be honest, working with data isn't always smooth. Whether you're dealing with messy spreadsheets, trying to make sense of customer behavior, or running complex models in Python, it can feel overwhelming. That's where Julius AI comes in, a smart assistant designed to simplify data analysis using natural language. Julius.ai is a web-based platform where you can upload your dataset, Excel, CSV, Google Sheets, whatever, and start asking questions in plain English. For example, what's the average sales per region, or are there any outliers in customer spending? Julius understands the context and runs the necessary analysis behind the scenes, giving you clear answers, visualizations, and even code if you need it. One of the most impressive things is how fast it works. Within seconds, you can get charts, summaries, pivot tables, regression insights, without ever touching Excel formulas or writing SQL queries. For data professionals, it can save hours of routine work. For non-technical users, it's an intuitive entry point into analytics. You can also fine-tune the results. Julius provides editable Python and SQL code for each analysis it runs, so if you want to tweak or scale up, you're not locked in. This makes it a great bridge between business users and data teams. The UI is clean and modern, and the onboarding is smooth. You can start exploring your data within minutes. There's also a chat history, which lets you track the steps of your analysis like a transparent notebook. It's great for presentations or audit trails. Pricing-wise, Julius offers a free plan with basic features and paid tiers for more advanced usage. It's not the cheapest tool on the market, but considering how much manual effort it saves, especially for solo analysts or startups, it's definitely worth considering. Bottom line, if you want to analyze data faster, smarter, and without friction, Julius AI is one of the best tools you can try in 2025. It won't replace a full data team, but it'll absolutely make you feel like you've got one by your side.